Welcome to Ride Ready Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth car and bike reviews. If you're passionate about powerful machines, classic rides, and the latest automotive trends, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Now, let's dive into today's review. The 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup is a stunning blend of classic design and modern engineering. Chevrolet has brought back the legendary 210 series with a vintage-inspired pickup that pays tribute to the golden era of American trucks while packing the latest technology under the hood. This truck is a perfect fusion of nostalgia and innovation, designed for collectors, enthusiasts, and those who appreciate timeless automotive beauty. From the very first glance, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup commands attention. The exterior styling stays true to the original 1950s Chevrolet 210, with its bold front grille, round headlights, and sleek chrome accents. The body lines reflect the classic American truck design, but Chevrolet has added subtle modern touches to enhance aerodynamics and durability. The retro paint options, including classic two-tone schemes, add to its vintage appeal, making it a true head-turner on the road. Under the hood, this pickup is anything but old-fashioned. Chevrolet has equipped it with a powerful 5.3-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 420 horsepower. For those looking for a more eco-friendly option, there's also an all-electric variant featuring a high-performance battery pack, offering up to 350 miles of range on a single charge. This makes the 210 vintage pickup a perfect combination of raw power and modern efficiency. The interior is where classic design meets contemporary comfort. The dashboard features a retro-style instrument cluster with digital enhancements, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology. The leather-wrapped bench seats, wooden dashboard trims, and vintage-inspired steering wheel bring back the charm of the past, while the 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation ensure a seamless driving experience. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium Bose sound system, and wireless charging add a touch of luxury to this classic-inspired truck. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Chevrolet 210 vintage pickup doesn't just look good, it drives like a dream. The modern suspension system provides a smooth ride, whether cruising down highways or tackling off-road trails. The truck also comes with an adaptive driving mode, allowing drivers to switch between classic cruising and high-performance settings. With state-of-the-art safety features, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras, Chevrolet ensures that this vintage beauty is as safe as it is stylish. Chevrolet has truly revived an icon with the 2025 210 vintage pickup, offering the perfect balance of classic aesthetics and modern performance. Whether you're a collector, a weekend cruiser, or someone who simply loves the charm of vintage trucks, this model is built to impress. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ride Ready Reviews for more exciting content on the latest and greatest vehicles. Let us know in the comments what you think about this stunning revival of the Chevrolet 210. Stay tuned for more reviews, and until next time, keep riding in style.